Hi, my name is Mathias. I ride for Ambition Snowskates, and today I'm going to show you how to scrape your board. So basically all you need to do is take your razor blade and your snowskate and then scrape it from the nose to the tail. If you do the opposite, you will probably mess up your snowskate very bad. So, from the nose to the tail. Don't do it in the groove, just do it on the flat bases of the board. The fastest way and the easiest way to do it, and that's the way all the Ambition riders are doing it. So that's it. Have a good one. Don't wax, scrape it.